Good Monday morning, everybody. It's bloody freezing. Oh, myself just locking up. Oh, it's quite breezy. It's cooled back down to normal temperatures now. But it's fetching a bit with rain. Looks like it has rained, or an animal's peed on my bin. And yeah, just another week to start. 1 week to our holidays. Well, 1 week, 2 days of work. So, let's get to work, get it over with. Moving on. Hi guys, nearly at my work now, and Michelle hasn't got enough petrol to get to her work. Because that's how I'm selfish. Use up all the petrol.
I do have enough petrol to get in.
Well, yeah, she does, but she can't get back, so unless she remembers, I'm going to be stuck at work, and she'll be stuck on the A90 somewhere. Yeah. Waiting for the AA to come, or your dad to come with a petrol can. Yeah, that's us. Monday morning does start now. Well, I will do in a minute when I get round here and stuff and all that. And hopefully all this stuff will burn off. We'll get a good day. Really enjoyed the weather at the weekend. We were so blessed this weekend. Temperatures up to 30 odd degrees. Oh, I saw 32 degrees in the car. I know that's not a proper.
We were properly lucky with the weather, and I was even lucky I didn't get sunburned all weekend.
Well, I got sunburnt on the back of my ears because I was sitting with my back to it, and I thought I'd probably get my thin patch at the top, but it didn't. But concentrate. Anyway, that's us at work, or me at work, so speak to you all after the working day's done. Okay guys, that's the Monday working day over with. We're off on our way home to basically do nothing, I don't think. Unless we catch up on something. I think you plan on relaxing and reading, don't you?
Lucy Worsley things on tonight.
Oh yeah, we've got watch a new programme about suffragettes with Lucy Worsley at 8 o'clock.
8:30.
Have we got a previous version to watch? No. Didn't you say that was episode 2?
No, it's a one-off.
Oh right, okay. Well, that's what we're going to watch, 8:30 on Channel 5.
BBC One.
It's 8 o'clock on BBC One.
8:30.
8:30 on BBC Two. Okay, so it's on at 8:30. BBC One. Lisa Worsley, and what's it called?
Suffragettes.
Suffragettes. I got that bit right. No, life's complicated enough, isn't it? Without having to remember titles. Anyway, with that, very nearly home. So, moving on. Okay guys, I did my usual trick. I fell asleep just before the programme we was going to watch came on. So we didn't watch it. Michelle's recorded it. We'll watch it at the weekend. Because it's like an hour and a half long, isn't it? Or something like that. Hour and a half.
I hope the box is recording it.
If not, we can get it on the iPlayer, can't we? Oh.
Yeah, it is recording it.
Yeah, well anyway, what we've been doing since I woke up then is we've been looking through our photographs. Michelle's made up some albums. We've just been playing them on the TV just to look at them, just to watch them. But with that, it's getting quite late now, so I think it's time I called it on the vlog. Nothing to add, have you? No. It's been a lazy night. It's cold as well, hasn't it? It's been chilly. I had to close the windows. But anyway, with that, it's a good night from me.
And it's a good night from him.
Good night, see you all in the morning. Good Tuesday morning, everybody. It is Tuesday now. We're running a bit late this morning. Not got time for a coffee, have we? Although we've got 5 minutes. So, we're going to have a drink of water. Moving on. Hi guys, look at this. We're driving with the window open. It's that warm. I'll have to get the air conditioning regassed. So we'll do off home the window. Yeah, that's the working day over with. That's worst 2 over with. It's gone pretty quick for me today, I bet you. That bad. How was your training?
Fine.
You learn loads.
Yeah.
Did you not fall asleep?
No.
I did at dinner time. I had to rest my eyes, and I'm sure I fell asleep because everybody was looking at me. And half an hour went past pretty quickly. So I must have started snoring. Never mind. That's the way it goes, isn't it? Anyway, exactly 7 days till we go on holiday, till we finish for holidays now. Let's get off home and figure out what we're going to do or what's happening with the WhatsApp and stuff. Yeah. Moving on. Hi guys, I've got on an opening. Got a delivery from Amazon. Because that's the only company in the world that delivers things, isn't it? And it's a pre-ordered DVD of The Darkest Hour. We wanted to go and watch that in the cinema, didn't we? But we didn't. We missed out on the opportunity. So that's a weekend watch for us both, isn't it? We both want to fancy watching that. About Churchill, Britain's Darkest Hour. That's all I've got to say on that. We'll let you know how that comes out, because Michelle is insisting that I now do DVD reviews, because I insist that she does book reviews. So therefore, she's getting me back. Anyway, with that, that's Tuesday night come to a close. It's getting on for 10 o'clock now. So we're going to call it on the vlog. So with that, it's a good night from me.
It's a good night from him.
Good night. See you all in the morning. Hump day.